call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy, you can say I'm weak, but when it comes to her, you better keep it sealed.
So do you guys want to know what one of the most frequently commented things on this channel is that I run into every few videos, especially if I show a mistake or something like that? The comment usually is, I can't believe how much patience you have. I don't have the patience to do that. Well, I tell you what, it wasn't always this way. There wasn't too long ago where if something didn't fit right and I wasn't happy with it, I might have gone Gallagher on it. No good! Or I might have sat there and heckled Canada from the back window of my shop. I bet you they're over there right now, eating their poutine, drinking Molson. I may have thrown a temper tantrum like a 2-year-old. But the point of all this isn't just to have a nice lighthearted moment. The point of all this is you're going to run into times in your projects where it just sucks. You're going to hate it. Don't let yourself get to that point. Don't go kick the dog, yell at the kids, things like that. We all make mistakes. We all screw up. You move on, you cut a new board, whatever you have. Tell you guys who've been with me for a while, you've seen some of the doozies that have been made in this shop building. There were some doozies, but you know what you guys see on camera nowadays is really how it is. When I screw up, I make a mistake, I find something that I should have done better, could have done better. I see it as an opportunity now to learn, and that's what I see lacking in a lot of people that I know do woodworking or they work in the trades or anything like that. They don't take that opportunity to make that mistake into a learning experience. Every time you screw up, you just got a bunch of education for the price of taking some of your time and going back and fixing it. So that's kind of why we're here. This is why we do all this channel stuff besides the fun of doing the videos and whatever we can make on them, you know. It's all passing some of that on because I've had people pass it on to me. Like I said, you could go Gallagher on something, whatever the hell it is you're working on, and if you're too young to know who Gallagher is, you're probably not even watching this channel anyway. But you could swear at it, you could throw a fit, you could throw shit around your shop, whatever, you can heckle Canada, which I happen to love Canada, but it's so easy to heckle Canada. It's right across the river. I could see it from the window of the barn. Easy target. Poor Canada. But, so I guess all I'm saying is, take your mistakes, work with them, learn from them, try not to make them again. Realize that when you're tired, hey, it's time to go in for the night, give it up, it's another day tomorrow. It's something I'm very guilty of all the time. So that's kind of my advice on this one. So we're going to get back to the project because we're working on fitting the shelf right now. Anyway, stay tuned and there's more. Let's see if this shelf will fit. Let's see what happens. We're blocking the shot, yeah, a little bit. Kind of important here when you're going down, if you want this cabinet to end up nice and square, make sure you bottom this stuff out inside these dados because it may feel like you are, but you're not always. So take a mallet and a block of wood. I just tap them down, but you kind of have to go work it down, try to keep it square. Kind of important, you don't want to bang this edge up right here because you're going to be laminating a piece onto it. And then, let's double check. We just measure down both sides. Oh, I know I'm blocking you guys, sorry. There, we're right there. So we're going to take a clamp across here, and then we're going to get all this screwed in. So the best advice that I can give you guys, when you're going to screw this stuff together, I always start in the back first. I want to make sure this piece is nice and tight to the back. I usually start in the middle in case there's a bow in it. That way I can work it towards the outside. Then once you get to the outsides, you start in the back and you work your way forward. That way, if you go to put a screw right in the middle, and sometimes it'll throw the box off itself if that plywood's out of whack, and this stuff is. You know, just my little, one of my goofy little things I do, I guess. And also another reason it's good to start in the back. Now I figured these screws should work fine, but just in case you're wrong, I'd rather have a screw poke out in the back and see it first, rather than put one in the side and have it no good there. So I always check that. And you don't have to go nuts with these things. Just come on. Well, there we have it. A little bit of progress, not a ton, but the whole point of this one tonight was kind of, you know, it's easy to get frustrated when you're doing your projects. It can seem overwhelming sometimes, so you got to be able to find your happy place, get to that happy place, and just keep going. You're going to make mistakes. You see all these channels where everything just comes out beautiful every time, all the time. Now, I can guarantee you there was a lot of camera work in there to make it look that way, or there was a lot of retakes. I'm not into that so much. A lot of you who've been here for a while, you guys know that. You know, we make a mistake, we show it. So anyway, coming up this weekend, we're going to try to get the top fitted on that, try to get the face frame made. Who knows how much we'll get done. There's always other stuff that pops up. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you on the next one.